It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I am doing a full set start to finish for you all. So I'm going to start by doing my prep. I'm going to push back the cuticles, shorten, or just kind of smooth the edge of the nails. I'm going to remove that dead skin with a cuticle bit and remove the shine with a sanding band. When I use my cuticle bit, I do go in reverse and then I go in forward, or forward and then in reverse, just to make sure that I'm getting into those corners. I used to etch the surface and then use the cuticle bit, but now I like to use the cuticle bit and then etch the surface with the sanding band. Now I'm applying the tips, and these are those little short tips that I used on myself for my Valentine's Day nails. I really like these tips. If you already know you want the nails short, this is a great option. Now I'm using my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file. After I kind of shaped that tip up, I did cut them a little shorter. I got her to kind of, move her hands around to see how it would feel working with them, and she said she wanted them a little shorter. Now I'm going in and basically just overlaying some acrylic here. So for the look, we are using gel polish. So typically when I'm using gel polish, I don't really do anything other than a clear application underneath. Let me know in the comments what you all do. If you know that you're going to do a gel polish design, do you go in with like a nude color, or do you go in with just a clear? So this video is mainly focusing on the application. I don't believe I included a lot of the polishing. I'm just going to use 2 colors. One of them will be different, and that's pretty much it. So after I get the acrylic laid and build up and all of that, I'm going to go in and file everything into shape, buff it, all of that good stuff. And then I'm going to go in with the gel polish. So I went around the cuticle with the E-file, I buffed it, all of that, and I cleansed with the Young Nail Swipe, and then I went in with the gel polish. She picked like a orange solid color and a orange glitter. So that is what you see me using. And this is the set. I absolutely love it. Make sure that you comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. So this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments what you all think about it. And of course, let me know if you would rock it. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose. Find what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.